Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday!
Come on up.
All right, get together.
Sorry, you can't sit outside. Sit out there.
So I thought you were reading one.
Ed, we knew you were coming, so we added lobster to the list.
Did you look at the menu yet?
What are you gonna do? Take a picture?
You're taking a picture, Patty.
And Ann, I said, come over back in the classroom.
That camera.
Stephen!
Smile.
I think he did.
Wow, this is going to be one recorded event.
I knew you had.
You have 400 connections in these things.
Don't forget the green shorts of Santa.
I lost out on Ed. I guess 3 times.
Actually, I
What's that chant? Rip the tape.
You can only open one present, then we're going to have to out. Well, that's good. In between courses, you're over going to your...
All right, sure, okay.
I'm mad. I'm mad. Boy, this is a bad singing.
Blowing in the wind. You gonna admit to it?
Oh, hey. Oh, I look so good.
Who didn't have nerve to put the 70 on your head?
70? What's that? The fire marshal. It's a 96.
The fire marshal says no 70 cans.
It's 96.
The fire marshal said, what's that for? Blow it out.
I bet you that was...
Before you lose your singing voice, I have 2 more surprises. Maybe we should go in descending order. Where is Charlene Murphy? Rumor has it that tomorrow she's going to be 52.
That's it, you just lost points, honey. You lost big points.
50 to 42.
Let's sing.
52, we all know.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Charlene. Happy birthday to you.
Now,
That's a deck of cards, you know.
Touch all the
52's
bases.
a deck of
Got
cards.
just so that I touch all the bases and stay out of trouble, I also understand
Hey, get there.
No. Ed's trying to get me in trouble here.
Sven
Frank
Galley.
will be 70. In June.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Fran. Happy birthday to...
Closer that, when she was due to be born, I kept saying to her mother, Eileen, my sister-in-law, maybe she'll be born on my birthday. And Eileen kept saying, she's not gonna be born on your birthday, she's gonna have a birthday all of her own. So I come home from high school that day, got off the bus, and Eileen is sitting like so in the lawn swing right outside the kitchen celebrating my birthday. I said, what are you doing here? You're supposed to be at a hospital having this baby. And she said, she's not going to be born today. She's going to have a birthday all of her own. So she's born the next day.
You know what, Therese? That sounds like my mother-in-law.
Exactly.
Once her mind was made up, you couldn't do it. Just like my brother.
I have to thank all of you for being here. I think it's the greatest thing that ever was.
Watch that knife,
We're one for celebrating in 75 and 80 and stuff like that, and we're a long-lived family. So I really didn't think anything was going to happen until 5 years, maybe 10 years from now. Today is fantastic. Thanks.
And don't think you're getting a present next year either.
Want me?
Who's that saying?
Nice. Never cut toys.
Together.
Little brother.
I wasn't ready.
Should we write it down like we do at shower? That might be a good idea. Should we write it down like we do at the shower? All right.
Rip the paper.
Oh, that's pretty paper. Oh, this has to be yours, Lou. No, I didn't. They say rip the paper, rip the paper. Classified, it's classified it is.
Classified, it's a phone book.
It's empty.
An empty box.
See the lid of the box? I did. It's classified.
Oh,
Your birthday present will be made to someone in at a later date, but here's a preview from the book, so while you wait, you'll get a look.
got the girl.
Harry,
Janet, how was I to know? All over the city I went, and they're out of them. And I went to the manufacturer, and they said, new shipment coming in June 15th. I said, no, new shipment coming in June 6th, so I have it for the 8th. Yeah. And?
Flo, we're gonna sit in style down at the pool. It's a,
Who else but me would give her an IOU, right?
duty lounge chair and carry on. Sit in style down at the pool.
You had